Have you ever just wanted to be somebody else? Or perhaps just a better version of who you are today? Well, not to worry. Nintendo has you and your low self-esteem covered in one of the greatest pieces of software ever created. Let's take a look, shall we? The Mii Maker. While there are quite a few variations on the program, I'll be looking at the one I know best, the original incarnation on the Nintendo Wii. Miis are essentially your avatar for Nintendo games and consoles. They are primarily meant to represent you visually for a variety of games. Honestly, the fun of the Mii Maker comes from making characters look as much like well-known fictional characters as possible, or just making the most disturbing things you possibly can. I'll go over the character creation process with a simple example. We begin with the base character before customizing the head shape, the hair, the eyes, eyebrows, the color of every feature, and even adding some wrinkles. We can then move any feature around the face with a lot of freedom for how every feature ends up looking. Here we make the eyebrows into a mustache before doing vice versa as well. His eyes stare very deeply into the soul. After customizing the features to our liking, we give him a name, the Crumbum. Voila, there he is. The entire process took only 6 minutes in total, and as far as the Mii Maker software goes, this is pretty much it. A character builder for many games stylized to Nintendo's basic design philosophy, while giving as much freedom as possible to the maker. So, I think I would give the Mii Maker a rating of 3 aliens out of Bootleg Garfield. But wait, that's not all. We're going to take the Crumbum on a thrilling experience next episode. We're going to see what he's truly capable of. Tune in next time for Wii Sports.